Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the brand new Oneplus 12R. This does come with 16GB of RAM plus 256GB of storage. It comes with a dual SIM. This is factory unlocked. It does have a 5500 milliamp battery and a 50 megapixel camera. Today I'm so happy to announce the release of the Oneplus 12R. This one here is offered in two different colors as well as two different sizes. You have the sizes of 256 or 128. They're also offered in blue or gray. So those are really nice colors. I did pick up the blue color. So this one here is unlocked, so it works with any devices on any networks. So first off here you do get the instructions manual. They give you a thank you guide, a quick guide, a safety guide. You do get your standard membership card. You also get a OnePlus sticker. So the Oneplus 12R, it's smooth beyond belief. It has an 80-watt fast charging, 5500 milliamp battery. It is the modern, elegant design. It has the best ever 120 Hz display. It's the 4th generation LTPO. It has got an overclock your digital life, unleash the best. So we're just going to take the phone off to the side and see what we do get in the box. So first off here in the box we do get an 80-watt power bank, which a lot of phones do not offer this, so it is a great thing that OnePlus has offered this. And you also get the charging cable with it, so you get the block and the cable. So this is an 80-watt fast charging, so you can charge your phone up in just as little as 30 minutes. So right here is the cable. It is a USB to a Type-C. So that is a great thing to charge your phone. It's a super fast charging, so 30 minutes will charge your phone all the way up. So right here is the Type-C, and on the other side is the USB. So this one has superb graphics that are meant to be experienced. The LTPO 4.0 wireless, the apex of the mobile display, which has great technology with the smoothness. This has a carefully designed, thoughtful, crafted, modern, elegant design. It is purposeful, ionic, and the classic flowering like a velvet silk, and experiences compatible designs that all endures. So it looks really nice. I love the color that it is a light blue. So right here on the side you've got your volume on and off, and right here you have your SIM card tray, power port, and your speaker. And then right here on this side you have your volume up and down rocker, and then you have your power button. So there's your up and down rocker and there's your power button. You can see that the notch from the camera sticks out a little bit. It is super nice in the hand. It feels really nice. It's not too heavy. It's nice and sleek. So we're just going to go ahead and turn it on. So this is running the Android 14. So this is one of the best smartphones on the market right now. It has a powerful 5500 milliamp big battery. So you can push the boundaries of powers, experience the largest ever smartphone battery for the fast charging and long-lasting power. It does have an LTPO 4.0 display. It witnesses the apex of the mobile display technology with smoothness and full display, so that is perfect for gaming. So right here it's super easy to connect. So right now I'm just going to connect it to an Android device, and it says you can connect it by an Android or an iPhone or an iPad. So I'm just going to go ahead and connect it to an Android. So once I connect it, it will come right back. So right now we have it coming back. This is Oxygen OS. We're using 14. So this 12R is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 with up to 16GB of RAM. It has fast charging, which is long-lasting battery of any OnePlus phones. It has a massive 5500 milliamp battery by an 80-watt SUPERVOOC charger, which comes included in the box. This is an all-new dual crypto velocity cooling system, which delivers improved temperature dispersion, so you don't have to worry about it getting hot in your hand. It ensures that the OnePlus 12 stays cool no matter how you use it. The 12R performance is optimized by a Trinity Engine, which accelerates various softwares and maximizes the performance of your device. It includes a RAM-Vita, CPU-Vita, ROM-Vita, HyperTouch, SuperBoost, and HyperRendering. So what I'm going to do is a YouTube search. I'm going to go ahead and play the video so you can hear how nice these speakers sound. They sound more like a surround sound. They're super loud, really nice. So I'm just going to go and turn that on right now. I'm going to turn the volume up. So like I said, these are great for parties. The size of these ones are 11 by 5 inches, which is 27.5 by 12.5 centimeters. So you can see that it's got some really good sound. So you can change your ringtone notifications, but in order to do that, it's telling me not to because you've got to turn the ringer on, which is on the left side. So what I'm going to do is make my way into the camera section. So these are all your sound settings. So the camera itself has a triple camera system, which offers a 50 megapixel main camera, a 112 ultra wide camera, and a macro lens. So it's asking permissions for your location, so you can change that. You don't have to add that, but I'm just going to go ahead and bypass that one. So I'm going to take a couple pictures. I'm going to take some videos. I'm going to go outside and show my nature around here. We have a lot of trees. We have a lot of grass. So first off, I'm just going to take a picture of the box and show you in the zoom. So the zoom gets really up close and it doesn't pixelate it. And then the next thing I'm going to do is just going to go outside and take some pictures of the trees, the sky, some grass. As you can see, it looks really nice on the camera. I do have a lot of trees around my house. I love the fact that we just come out of winter, and usually around the fall it'll get more leaves on it, so you can see the in-depth details of this branch right here. You can see all that. And so now I'm going to do more of the zoom part of the lens, so it zooms really nice. It doesn't overfade it, so you can see all the quick details. It kind of, once you get really close, it kind of fuzzes it out. So you can see that the zoom is really nice. You have your pro, your video, your photo, you got portrait and mono. So up here you've got your flash. You can have the flash auto on or off. So I'm just gonna turn it on so you can see it's really nice and bright. It captures everything in this camera. Then I'm just going to zoom it out so you can see that the zoom is really nice. You can change the settings, so if you want it to be 60 frames, 30 frames, 4K, 1080, 720. So that is options in these settings. So I'm going to go back outside. I'm going to get some more of the trees, some of the sun, branches, leaves. This camera is awesome when it comes to taking pictures, making videos. You can see like the sun right here is oversetting over these trees. You can see the birds. We've got some grass and leaves over here, got some flowers. It is super nice. I like the fine details that the camera gives you. You can even make it go 4K. You just got to change that into settings. So I mean, look, you can see these flowers right here, really detailed. I'm going to get up to this tree, and in this tree you can see more details. This is a super nice phone when you want to capture images, videos. I like the fact that it just captures all the nature. And the phone that has 5500 milliamp battery, it gives you enough time, so if you're doing any videos or any pictures, capturing it lasts a long time. I mean, like right here you can see the moon up in the sky. If you go a little bit close, it kind of fuzzes out, but if you're at a distance, it is a really nice size camera. And the fact that you do get 50 megapixel and you get the 112 ultra wide camera and the macro lens. You can see my dogs right here, they like to run around, they like to be on camera. So I just want to do a comparison so you can see how really nice this camera works. And videos, they're super clear, they look really nice. I think this one right here is set at 1080, but I can go ahead and change this in the settings to make it a 4K. This is my dog Mika. She just loves being on camera. So what I'm going to do is go into the settings. You have night mode, you have panel, macro, move, you got slow motion, time lapse, and then here is the 4 cameras, which gives you the 50 megapixel main camera and a 112 ultra wide camera and a macro lens. So this is what it looks like on the back, and then the flash is up here at the top, this little round thing, so you can stay connected with the Wi-Fi 7 ready. The high performance of a 360-degree gaming antenna with a smart network system effortlessly switches between the Wi-Fi and cellular networks, which you can level up more seamless and stable connections for your competitive gaming edge. This is a super nice phone. It offers so much benefits, such as you can dive into 3D sound, press and play, listen to on your audio, supported earphones, wired or wireless. You can enjoy seamless sleep audio playback in different orientations for your ultimate 3D soundscape. It uses Dolby Digital Atmos. It's running Oxygen 14. It has 4500 nits of peak brightness, 2160 hertz of PWM dimming. It is an intelligent eye care. You can break every speed limit on the OnePlus First R series. It goes all out with a flagship Snapdragon under the hood. It is paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. The ultimate performance power. This phone can go from 1% to 100% in just 31 minutes with the 80-watt charging on smart rapid charging mode. It has an ultra high smooth gaming even when it's charging. So if you're looking for a super nice phone, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one has everything that one would need in a smartphone.